Hi friends, welcome to Riha Craft. Today I decided to show you beautiful heart with A4 paper and crepe paper. Take a A4 sheet and draw heart shape. You can choose any color of A4 sheet and draw heart shape and cut it. We have to cut it two heart shape, two pieces. Take a craft paper. I took two color craft paper, white and red. You can choose any color you wish. Take one craft paper and fold it in center. Also fold again and move one time. Then cut it and cut it. Now we cut it and you took one piece, again fold it, center, move one, also move one. Then we have to cut it small pieces. This look like that. We have to cut the also white. We cut the white and red craft papers all pieces. Now take a one heart. We cut it before and take a glue. Add some glue. Take one paper and fold it. Fold it like that. I cover the heart with crepe paper, two heart. Now take a thread, black thread. Take a one heart and turn it to the other side. And fix it with glue. Also add the glue in heart shaped round. And take other heart and try to fix it up. Heart together is finally look like that. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button. See you soon with my new craft.